Hey, it's BunnyhopHigh. This time I'm going to show you how to build this cabin with its very own mining entrance. Material wise, this one is quite easy. So you're going to need spruce and oak, a bit of dark oak, bricks and mud bricks, and then the rest of it is basically just for decoration. When you pick a spot for this one, you're going to need a wall that is like 10 blocks high, maybe a bit more, and then like 11 to 15 or 20 blocks wide. And then in front of it, I think you should be fine with like 20 blocks. So you're going to start with 4 by 5. Then this one is 4 by 3. And then the next is 3 by 3. And then 2. And then for the other side, you skip 1 and go 1 up and make it 4 by 5 again and go in 2 blocks. Next is a log facing upwards in the corner, then 6 blocks out, then 1 on the sides and 1 facing upwards at the wall. And on the other side, it's a log facing upwards again, and then it's 5 blocks out. And then the floor of the cabin, it's going to be 7 by 8 blocks. And it will be a mix out of planks and logs. So at the front porch, I start mixing in these logs. And then for the steps, I use slabs and trapdoors and some campfires. The cabin is going to be 4 by 7 blocks. So start in the corner at the wall, go 4 blocks out and then around and 7 across. And then at first make it 4 blocks high. And then 3 left and right. And 1 more on top, left and right. Then the roof starts out with a log across. And then slabs on top and in front. Then 1 left and right. And again some in front. And then on top of here, it's going to be trapdoors and then slabs left and right. And then down here, it's a block in the corner, then stairs, another block, and then campfires across. Then in the corners left and right some fences and barrels in front. On this side as well, fences and then a barrel. And then in front of the campfires trapdoors 1 time across. Then on top of the barrel some fences. And then it alters between gates and fences. So a gate, a fence, a gate. A fence, another gate, and then fences again on top of the barrel. Next, some slabs on the side of the roof. And then trapdoors across. And then slabs on this side as well. And to finish this side of the roof, 2 more slabs and skip 1 for the chimney. And then at the mining entrance we go up 5. So we have 6 in total. Then in there some logs across. Then slabs. And then underneath the logs some fences. And then slabs. And logs left and right. And then from there, for these beams, we go out 6 left and right. So on this side it's oak, and on the other it's oak and spruce. And then some logs underneath. Fences in the corners. Then logs again, this time across. And one more. And then next for the roof, it starts with 2 blocks left and right. And then slabs to connect. And then slabs across. And on the side of the roof. Another one in front. And then trapdoors and campfires. Then back here is the slab left and right. And 2 blocks left and right behind. And then blocks across. And slabs left and right on top. Then across. One more on the side of the roof. Then a trapdoor on top and one on the side. To finish up the roof, it's going to be 2 upside down stairs, then a few slabs and trapdoors. And then there goes a button. And there the other. The chimney is going to be 3 blocks, 1 in front, then slabs left and right. And some trapdoors. Another 3 blocks and a stair in front. And then 2 more trapdoors around. And then it's a barrel and a pressure plate. Then a block and a slab. And then you go up 4 more blocks. And then it's a campfire on top and trapdoors around. This goes more in the decorational part, so a lantern and then some signs. Trapdoors to make a window sill. And trapdoors to make the window itself. And then the door, a lantern and another trapdoor to finish the window. Next it's going to be a small bench on the side and a little tree. And then the pressure plates are just there to mark a path that leads to the cabin. So this is just to give it the look and feel of an old mine. So everything is a bit overgrown and worn out. So the rails are not working anymore, and all that's left is just an old mine cart. So this one is going to read Old Mine. And then place these rails in the back. And then one in front for the minecart. And then since this is an old mine, there should be some rocks that block the entrance. This one is going to be the small tree next to the mine. And then this is going to be for the bees. So first a barrel and a scaffolding, then 2 campfires and a chest, then the beehives on top. And then in the back, 3 trapdoors 3 times. And then 3 on the side. And on this side as well. And then climb on top. And then it's a slab in the center. And the trapdoor left and right. And then left and right one in front. And another slab in the center. And then at the outer corners goes left and right another trapdoor and then fences. And then the last touch for this one is going to be the interior of the cabin. And then up in the corner, we're going to put a slab. It's for a chest so we can open it. And then this one is supposed to be a crafting table and not a smithing table. I have no idea why this is happening. Ask Replay Mod. That does it for today. I hope you had some fun. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.